As in the last lecture, we completed with the meaning of debentures, right? So what is the debentures? A debenture is an instrument under the seal evidencing debt. The essence of it being admission of indebtedness. It means, in short, we can say that the debenture is an evidence of indebtedness. And today's lecture we will complete with the types of debentures. See the types of debentures shown in the chart. It is on the basis of transfer, on the basis of security, on the basis of redemption, and on the basis of conversion. On the basis of transfer, it will be registered debenture and bearer debenture. On security basis, it will be secured debenture, unsecured debenture. On the basis of redemption, it will redeemable debenture and irredeemable debenture. On the basis of conversion, convertible debenture, non-convertible debenture. So as we have already studied with the types of preference shares, the same as the type of debenture. So one name is given, the another is the opposite of that, right? It means registered bearer, secured unsecured, redeemable irredeemable, convertible non-convertible. Now one by one we will understood the meaning of all this. See the types of debentures. Now one by one, on first it is on the basis of security. It is given that secured and unsecured. The name itself indicates us that secured. It means it will be secured by something, right? So the debentures are secured against the property of the company. It means what? Suppose if the company cannot repay the loan amount, or the company cannot repay the amount of debentures to the debenture holders, then debenture holders can claim on the assets of the company. That is known as what? Secured debentures. So the debentures can be secured. The property of the company may be charged as security for loan. The security may be for some principal assets, some particular assets, it's a fixed charge, or it may be the assets in journal, it means floating charge. The debentures are secured through trust deed. It means what? याचाच अर्थ असा होतो की कंपनीचे जे काही डिबेंचर्स आहे ते पर्टिक्युलर ॲसेट्ससाठी चार्ज केलेलं असतं. इट मीन्स व्हॉट? तर जर का कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डरचे पैसे देऊ शकली नाही, तर ज्यावेळेस डिबेंचर्स इश्यू केले जातात त्याच वेळेस लिहून दिलं जातं की जर आम्ही तुमचे पैसे देऊ शकलो नाही, कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डरचे पैसे देऊ शकली नाही, तर कंपनीचे कंपनीने मेन्शन केलेले सगळे फिक्स ॲसेट सोल्ड आउट करून कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डर्सचे पैसे पे आउट करेल. त्याला म्हटलं जातं फिक्स चार्ज. अँड इट मे बी ॲसेट्स इन जर्नल. म्हणजेच काय? तर जर का पैसे देऊ शकले नाही, तर कंपनीचे नॉर्मल ॲसेट्स विकून, जे लिहिलेले नाही आहे, जे मेन्शन केले नाहीत पण कंपनीचे ॲसेट्स आहेत, ते ॲसेट्स विकून डिबेंचर होल्डरला पैसे दिले जातील. आणि सेक्युर्ड डिबेंचर कसे इश्यू केले जातात किंवा डिबेंचर सेक्युर्ड कसे केले जातात? तर ट्रस्ट डीड. इट मीन्स व्हॉट? हॅज वी आर ऑलरेडी स्टडीड द ट्रस्ट डीड. इट इज अ agreement with the trustee, right? Who is a trustee? We are already studied with the parties of the debenture, that is company, trustee and debentures holders. And trustee act as an agent between the company and the debenture holder. So the agreement between the trustee and the company, it is known as what? Trust deed. So that debentures are secured with the trust deed. Now second debenture type is what? Unsecured debenture. But before it is issued unsecured debenture, but in now as per the Companies Act 2013, the company is prohibited to issue the unsecured debenture. These are the debentures that have no security. It means suppose a company is unable to pay the amount to the debenture holders, then debenture holders cannot claim any assets of the company. The issue of the unsecured debentures is now prohibited by the Companies Act 2030. म्हणजे जर का कंपनी डिबेंचर होल्डरचे पैसे देऊ शकली नाही, तर कंपनीच्या कोणत्याच ॲसेटवरती डिबेंचर होल्डर्सचा क्लेम नसतो, डिबेंचर होल्डरला पैसे परत मिळत नाही. पण आता कंपनीज ॲक्ट 2013 नुसार असे अनसेक्युअर्ड डिबेंचर इश्यू करण्याची परमिशन नाही आहे. The third debenture is what? Registered debenture. Registered, it means what? It is already named for the debentures. It means registered debentures are those debentures on which the name of the holders are recorded. It means on the register, on the debenture certificate, the name of the holder is already recorded, and a company is maintaining the register of debenture holders in which the name, address and particulars of holding of debentures are entered. The debenture of registered transfer of registered debentures require the execution of regular transfer deed. It means what? The debentures on which the name of the debenture holders are recorded, that known is what? Registered debentures. Debentures सर्टिफिकेट ज्याच्यावरती त्या होल्डरचं नाव लिहिलेलं असतं, त्याचा रेकॉर्ड केलेला असतो, त्या डिबेंचरला काय म्हणणार आहात? रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर्स, राईट. आणि कंपनी आपल्याकडे एक सेपरेट रजिस्टर मेंटेन करते ज्याचं नाव असतं रजिस्टर ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. त्या रजिस्टरमध्ये डिबेंचर होल्डर्सचं नाव, त्याचा पत्ता आणि त्याने किती डिबेंचर्स होल्ड केलेले आहे त्याची पूर्ण इन्फॉर्मेशन रेकॉर्ड केली जाते. आणि जर का डिबेंचर होल्डर्सला डिबेंचर्स ट्रान्सफर करायचे असतील तर एक्झिक्युशन ऑफ रेग्युलर ट्रान्सफर डीड म्हणजे काय करावं लागतं? तर ट्रान्सफर डीडमध्ये परमिशन असेल तरच रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर्स काय होतात? ट्रान्सफर होतात. द नेक्स्ट वन इज bearer debentures. Bearer, it means what? In the person who is having the debentures in his hand, he is the owner of that debentures. It means what? The name of the holders are not recorded on the bearer debentures. The person who has purchased the debentures or the person who is holding the debenture, his name is not recorded on the debentures. Their names do not appear on the register of debentures. Such debentures are transferred by mere delivery. Mere delivery, it means it is not required any execution, it is not required any special permission, nothing. Payment of interest is made by means of coupons attached to debenture certificate. It means what? As we are knowing, for the investment of in debentures, the debenture holders are getting the interest on it. So for getting the interest, the coupons are attached with the debenture certificate and the interest is made by through these coupons, because bearer debenture holders name is not recorded on the debenture certificate. Next one is redeemable debentures. Now what is the redeemable debentures? Redeemable, it means the amount is given back. Redeemable, it means it is redeemed, it is repayment. Debentures are mostly redeemable, but it means payable at the end of the some specific period. It means say it is issued 5 years, so after the 5 years the repayment of the debentures amount is given to the debenture holders as mentioned on the debenture certificate. It is already mentioned that on after how many years, after how many months the debentures will be redeemed. Repayment can be made at a fixed date at the end of the specific period or by installment during the lifetime of the company. The provision of repayment is normally made in the trust deed. It means it is already mentioned in the trust deed that what is the timing, when is the timing to redeem the debentures. Next one is irredeemable. Irredeemable, this kind of debentures are not repayable during the time of the company. They are repayable only after the liquidation of the company, only when there is a breach of any condition or when some contingency arises. It means what? This debentures amount is repayable only on the liquidation of the company, only on the closing down of the company, or only on the last of the company. It is repayable, or it is repayable at the breach of any condition. It means if the some condition is not followed by the company, some condition is not fulfilled by the company, at that time these debentures are redeemed. Or if any crisis arises, any emergencies arises, that time irredeemable debentures are repayable. This is known as what? Irredeemable debentures. Next one is convertible debentures. Now what is the convertible debentures? Convertible debentures, it means it is converted into the equity shares after a specific period of time. Convertible debentures give right to holder to convert them into equity shares after a specific period of time. such right is mentioned in the debenture certificate. It is already mentioned in the debenture certificate. The issue of convertible debenture must be approved by a special resolution in the general meeting before they are issued to public. It means what? If the company wants to issue the convertible debentures, then it must be approved by a special resolution in the general meeting. Suppose if it is not passed in the general meeting with the special resolution, then the company cannot issue the convertible debentures. These debentures are advantageous for the holder. How? Because they have the right to convert their debentures into the equity shares at a lower rate than the market value, right? So it is a benefit to the convertible debenture holders. And last one is non-convertible. Non-convertible, it means what? The debenture which is not converted on the equity shares on maturity, then it is known as what? Non-convertible debenture. These debentures are redeemed on the maturity date. It means suppose it is issued at 5 years, then it will be redeemed after 5 years. Then the debentures suffer from the disadvantage that there is no appreciation in the value. Only they are getting the interest on every year on their amount of debentures, but they are not getting the value appreciation, and it is the loss to the debenture holders of non-convertible debentures. So all these are the types of debentures. Just go through it.